Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can close or delete your uh, Tiger Trade account. So first thing first is that you under your portfolio sell or transfer all the stocks, ETFs and other commodities that you have. Um, so transfer everything that you have on your portfolio, even if you have something in your wallet on uh, cash, that you transfer everything, because you can lose everything if you don't do that first. Then when you do that, and when you are sure that you do that everything, you can go here to your profile and then navigate to the settings. So these settings are next to the AI button at the top right corner in the middle. Click on that, then account management, and you will see at the bottom delete account. Click on that, uh, and also you will read the terms and conditions carefully and then confirm your choice. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete identity verification and submit the request. And this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.